Squaring of any number, which means to multiply a number by itself. So to find the square of any number, Vedic Maths provide a powerful method to compute a square of any number of any length easily in a one line with the help of concept called duplex. So in the concept of duplex, if we have to find a duplex of single digit number, suppose d of a means your single digit. So d of a is nothing but a square. So if I have to find a duplex of a number 3, so its duplex will be 9. If I have to find a duplex of 5, then its duplex will be 25. Okay. Similarly, if I have to find a duplex of 2-digit number, d of ab. d of ab, for that what we do is 2ab. The formula is 2ab. If I have to find a duplex of 12, then 2 into a into b, that is 2 into 1 into 2. So 2 into 1 is 2, into 2 is 4. So duplex of 12 is 4. Duplex of 24 is 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 4 is 16. Okay. Similarly, if I have to find the duplex of 3-digit number, so duplex of 3-digit number is DABC. So the formula is DAC plus B square. Suppose I take the number 346. So the duplex of 346 is 2 into 3 into 6. So 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 6 is 36 plus B square. Plus B square is 4 square is 16. So 36 plus 16 is 52. Okay. Similarly, if I have to find the duplex of A, B, C, D, that is 4-digit, then what the formula is used? 2AD plus 2BC. Okay. Now suppose I have to find a duplex of number 2315. For the duplex of 2315, what I do is 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 5 is 20 plus 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 1 is 6. So it is 26. Similarly, for duplex of A, B, C, D, E, that is 5-digit. Okay. For that what we do? 2 into AE plus 2 into BD plus C square. Now if I take the example as duplex of 31015. So in that case, 2 into 3 into 5 is 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Again 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2 plus C square is 0. So your duplex is 32. Now you must be thinking how to remember this formula. See, if the number is odd, then just one a single number, then take a square in it. If the even number is there, take 2 into AB. So 2 into AB. Now the number comes to 3-digit. For 3-digit what we do? Take the double of n numbers and square of middle number. Okay. Similarly, this is an even number, only take a multiplication. Say 2 into AD into 2 into BC. Now if the number is 5-digit, see it is an odd number. So 2 into AE plus 2 into BD and a C square. In this way the duplex formula arrives. So no need to memorize the formula, just understand the concept. Suppose if I have to find it for 6-digit, then what will be the formula? A, B, C, D, E, F. So I will take these two and these two into 2. Suppose I have to find the duplex of 7-digit. So what I will do? A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So A into G, B into F, C into E and the D square. Okay, so and it may be any number length. You have to find find it with this formula. Now we'll understand how to use this duplex concept for squaring. Suppose I have to find a square of a 2-digit number. So I'll write SQ of AB. So for squaring of a 2-digit number, what I do is A square, a balancing line, 2AB, again a balancing line, B square. This is nothing but a duplex of a single digit number, balancing line, duplex of a 2-digit number, and a duplex of again a single digit number. But only the difference is we are taking the first single digit and then the last single digit. Okay. So this becomes your formula for squaring of 2-digit number. Now suppose I have to find the square of 34. So square of 34 is nothing but see A square. So A is your 3. 3 square is 9. Then 2AB. 2 into 3 into 4. So 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 4 is 24. Then again B square. B is 4. So B square is 4 4s are 16. So I'll solve this. Now taking 6 as it is. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 plus 9 is 11. So the square of 34 is 1156. Okay. Now suppose I will take one more example. I have to find the square of 76. So 76 square is equal to 7 7s are. First I will take A square. A square is nothing but 49. 2AB is 2 into 7 into 6. So 2 7s are 14. 14 7s are 84. So this is 84. Then again 6 6 are 36. Taking 6 as it is. 3 plus 84 is 87. 8 carry over. 8 plus 49 is 57. So 7 and 5. So the square of 76 is 5776. Now if I have to find a square of 3-digit number A, B, C. So to find the square of 3-digit number, what I do is A square, a balancing line, 2AB, again a balancing line, 2AC plus B square, again a balancing line, 2BC, balancing line, C square. This is nothing but what? A duplex of a single digit, duplex of a 2-digit, duplex of a 3-digit, duplex of again a last 2-digit, duplex of last digit. Okay. Now suppose I have to calculate the square of 350. What I do is take a square of 3. Square of 3 is 9. Balancing line 2AB. So 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 1 is again 6. Then 2AC. So 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 5 is 30. 30 plus 1 square. So it is 31. Then 2BC. So 2BC, for 2BC, 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 5 is 10. So write it as 10. And last is 5 square, that is 25. So I take 5 as it is. 2 carried over, 2 plus 10 is 12. 1 carried over, 31 plus 1 is 32. 3 carried over, 6 plus 3 is 9. No carry, so I will not take any carry over, and this 9 as it is. So the square of 315 is 99225. Now suppose I take the square of 821. So square of 821 is, square of 8 is 64. 2AB, 2 into 8 into 2. So 2 into 8 is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. Then again 2AC plus B square. So 2 into 8 into 1. So 2 into 8 into 1. 2 into 8 is 16. 16 into 1 is again 16. Plus B square. Plus B square is 2 square is 4. So 16 plus 4 is 20. Again a balancing line. 2bc, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 1 is again a 4. Then c square is nothing but 1. So I will take this 1 as it is, no carry. So again 4 as it is, then no carry, so this 0 as it is. So 2 plus 32 is 34, 4, then 3 carried over, 3 plus 64 is 67. So your answer is 674041. It is the square of 821. Now similarly, if I have to find a square of 4-digit number, so for square of 4-digit number I write SQ A B C D. So what will be the formula? See, duplex of first digit A square, duplex of next 2 digit 2AB, duplex of 3 digit. What is the duplex of 3 digit? 2AC plus B square. Then duplex of 4 digit, that is 2AD plus 2BC, again a balancing line. Then a duplex of last 3 digit, these 3 digit. So duplex of last 3 digit is 2BD plus C square, again a balancing line. The last 2 digit, duplex of last 2 digit is 2CD, and the duplex of last digit, that is B square. So this becomes the formula for squaring of 4-digit number. Now if I take the example, I take one example. If I have to take a square of 5, 2, 1, 5, 12. So what I do is, first take a duplex of first digit, that is 25. Then the duplex of first 2 digit, that is 2 into 5 into 2. So 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 2 is 20. Then duplex of next 3 digit, so 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 1 is 10, plus 2 square, that is 14. Now the duplex of 4 digit, so duplex of 4 digit is 2 into 5 into 5, so 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 5 is 50, plus 2 into 1, so 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 1 is again 4, so 50 plus 4 is 54. Now the duplex of last 3 digit, so 2 into 2 into 5, so 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 5 is 20, plus 1 square, that is 21. Then the duplex of last 2 digit, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 5 is 10. And the duplex of last digit, that is 5 square, that is 25. Now taking this 5 as it is, then 2 carried over 12, 1 carried over 22, 2 carried over 56, 5 carried over 19, 1 carried over 21, 2 carried over 27. So the square of 5215 is 27196225. I'll take one more example for this. It will be a little bit bigger number. Suppose I have to take 9216 square. So 9 square 81. Then duplex of 2 digit. 2 into 9 into 2 is 36. Then duplex of 3 digit, 2 into 9 into 1 plus 2 square is nothing but 22. Now the duplex of 4 digit, that is 2 into 9 into 6, that is equal to 108, plus 2 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 4. So 108 plus 4 is 112, balancing line. Then duplex of last 3 digit, that is 2 into 2 into 6 is 24, plus 1 square is 25. Then duplex of last two digit, that is 2 into 1 into 6. So it is 12. And the duplex of last digit, that is 36. So taking 6 as it is, 3 carry over 15, 1 carry over 26, 2 carry over 114. Now 11 carry over 33, 3. Again 3 carry over 39, 3 carry over 84. So the square of 9216 is 84934656. In this way you can calculate the square of any number of any length. Only what you have to understand is the logic behind it. So we'll have a quick revision of all the formulas of squaring. See, if I have to find the square of 2 digit, then what I do is duplex of 1 digit, balancing line, duplex of 2 digit, balancing line, duplex of last digit. Again to find the square of 3 digit, then what we do, duplex of first digit, duplex of first 2 digit, duplex of 3 digit, balancing line, duplex of last 2 digit, balancing line, duplex of last digit. Now to find the square of 4 digit number, what I will do, duplex of first digit, duplex of first 2 digit, duplex of first 3 digit, duplex of 4 digit, duplex of last 3 digit, and duplex of last 2 digit, and duplex of last digit. Similarly, if I have to find the square of 5 digit, so duplex of first digit, duplex of first 2 digit, duplex of first 3 digit, duplex of 4 digit, duplex, then the duplex of 5 digit, then the duplex of last 4 digit, that is 2BE plus 2CD, then the duplex of last 3 digit, then duplex of last 2 digit, and the duplex of last digit. In this way you can find the square of any number of any length. So students, if you have liked this trick, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press notification bell icon to get notified whenever I upload upcoming videos.